Hello, today I'm in Opel Vivaro. In this video I'll show you how to find and reset service info. In the beginning, let's turn ignition on and now take a look at the instrument cluster display. Unfortunately my system is in Polish language, but navigate using the navigation buttons located on the wipers lever until you see this menu. This menu is before the average speed. Now press and hold the navigation button, and now again press and hold the navigation button. And it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.